Gates open, they're up and racing Jet Prop. As expected, Rose for your lead is Small Star moving up by the rail center cannon Dottie outside Summer Rain running on the further outside 2A Wonder Joyce. Next in line is entry number 6 Lady Tycoon moving up by the outside Island Friend now catching the third spot as they head towards the last 450. 2A Wonder Joyce in command by about a length and a half. Jet Prop is in second, running into the outside. Island Friend in between runners. Summer Rain running by the rail center can. Small Star, Lady Tycoon and sneaking in down on the inside. Getting personal and on the outside. Presidential with the last 75 meters more to run. We have Wonder Joyce by about 2 lengths now. And finally Wonder Joyce second. Summer Rain, Jet Prop close between Lady Tycoon and Center Can, and comes number 8, Island Friend, number 1, Getting Personal 1A, Presidential Small Star, and Dayang Dayang comes in last.